Jake Paul Remax here. I'm at 41 Montgomery Crescent in Portland Place in St. John. Nice two-story townhouse in a really great quiet neighborhood. Just walking distance to Lansdowne Place, the YMCA, walking distance to Uptown. Nice quiet area. This one's got a great backyard too. We'll go through the front door and I'll give you the tour from here. So coming through the front entrance, we've got the staircase on the side. Nice ceramic tile hallway. Typically you'd come in through the garage. And I'll show you the garage really quickly. Now they've got a small car in here now, but there's more than enough space for an SUV, pickup truck, or station wagon, minivan, whatever you have, because the garage door is nice and high. And there's tons of space here for high storage if you need to. If you need to get a larger car in here, it's certainly doable. It is all drywalled and insulated as well. Laundry room here. They've got a stackable washer and dryer, but there's enough space here for a side-by-side if you prefer. Laundry tub and flush, so you've got a half bath down here. Another great opportunity for storage is underneath the staircase on the left here. And this goes all the way underneath the staircase. And so it's really deep. Lots of opportunity here to store seasonal stuff, winter tires, sports equipment like they do, but just a ton of storage. And that's often a pain point in a townhouse. Then we've got two bedrooms. First one here, they're using this as an office, but as you can see, lots of room here to set this up as a bedroom. That's an egress window. Closet over on the side here. Second bedroom here. Again, egress window in the back. Closet over on the side. And we'll head upstairs. Another view of that front entrance. Got a great open concept floor plan up here, so we've got a really nice big kitchen. Tons of cabinet space, lots of counter space, a decent island here if you want to have some stools on the other side. You can make a bigger island too if you wanted, because it's such a wide room that you've got plenty of space for it. Really nice big living room. That's big furniture and there's still a ton of room. And then over at the end, great little nook for an office or a reading area. But as you can see, it makes for a really nice, big, wide, open living space. Eating nook over on the side here. You'll notice back here there's a nice little nook too if you wanted shelving or an armoire or something in there. You certainly can squeeze that in. Full bath up here. So full tub, flush vanity, and linen closet over here. And then the master bedroom. Master bedroom's really nice and big, so plenty of room for a king-size bed. Double closets over here. It's a really nice, deep, wide room, so tons of space here. And then from the master bedroom, go out to the back deck, and the deck is really beautiful. This was a real surprise to me. You've got lots of room over here for a barbecue spot. Now, this is a dog run, and that can be removed very easily. It's not even firmly attached, so that can come off anytime if needed. And then an upper deck up here. And then they've got a really beautiful garden set up over on this side as well. And so as you can see, lots of outdoor space, which is just not typical of a townhouse. And so if you wanted a nice place for simple living, you've got a nice newer building, but a lot of outdoor space, which again, you don't commonly get in a townhouse. Worth noting as well, at the front entrance, you've got more than enough room to park 2 cars, plus whatever goes in the garage. And again, with townhouses, that's often much more limited. So that concludes the video tour for 41 Montgomery. If you have any questions about this home, please feel free to give me a call. I can be reached at 650-0092, and my email address is jake@jakepalmer.ca. Thanks very much.